this is done right. This is also done right. Okay, so you'll be left with right. Good. Then you have 3 as the answer here. And you got 18 here. And you got 2 root 5. Good. Question 5 would be yes. Good. Right. So you would write A as a fraction, which would be 2 over 5, and B as 15. Yes.
Yes.
Good. Then you have this question. Final answer would come out to be okay. You haven't completed this one?
Yeah, this one I
Question
didn't
6.
understand how it would be.
Okay. So can you appreciate this? Right.
Yes.
So the first step would be doing this. Do you know what this is? The identity, where
Yes.
A plus A plus B whole squared is equal to A squared plus 2A multiplied by B
Baby.
plus B squared. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So what we do is we take 6 and we make the square of 6, right? Then we take 2 and we take this term as one term. We take this term as one term, right? And then we take this whole as B and then we make B squared.
Okay.
Okay. So we get 36. Then we get 48 root 3. And then we get 4 squared and root 3 squared. Okay. So if I were to write this
Okay.
down, it would come out to be, right? So you would have 3 or 6 squared plus 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by root 3 plus 4 root 3 squared, right? Up until here, you understand
Yes.
what's happening? Okay. 6 squared is 36. Yes. Plus 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 4 is
Well,
48. 48 root 3 plus 4 squared is 16. 3 root 3 squared is 3.
3.
So this becomes 36 plus 48 root 3 plus this becomes 48. Now what they're saying is take 12 common. So the first thing that we do is 48 plus 36. So 48 plus 36 is how much?
84.
Very good. So 48 root 3 plus 84. So now when we take 12 common, we get 12 common 7 plus 4 root 3.
3.
Can you understand? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to copy this working now?
I copied it.
Good. So then you have show that 12 root 3 is 200. 5, right. So question number 2 under root 15. Okay, so you had to make it into an integer. So you've gotten this part right. You've gotten till here. But there's one more mark that you will get. You will get when you take this 2 and you put it inside the root. So if 2 goes inside the root, it becomes what?
15 multiplied by 2.
No, 15 multiplied by 2 squared, right? Because it's going into the root, yes?
Yes.
Okay. So 2 squared is 4.
Yes.
Okay. So you get root 60. This will be your final answer. Okay. So this will equal to under root 2 square times 15. Then you have this one. Yes. So this becomes 5 root 5. Perfect. Rationalize to its simplest form. Good. Perfect. Very good. Perfect. Very good. Simplify fully. Good. Perfect. Then we have simplify fully. This comes out to 2 times 25, which is 5 to 2, 6 to 2. Good. 17 to 40. Good. Good. Very well done. 8 to 3. Rationalize and you get to 2 minus 1. Perfect. Good. Hmm. So here you would get 4 root 3, and here you would get 4 root 3, and your final answer would be 8 root 3. Okay, so you've done a small mistake here, right? So you would get a squared. So what happens is you get 4 plus 4 root 3 plus 3. Perfect. On this side, you get 4 minus 4 root 3 plus 3. Yes? But there's a minus sign in between. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So what will happen is this 4 will become minus 4. 4 minus 4 plus 4 root 3. And this minus 4 root 3 will become plus 4 root 3. So 4 root 3 minus plus 3, and this becomes minus 3. So these two cancel out and these two cancel out. You're left with 8 root 3.
Okay.
Okay, make sense?
Yes.
This will become minus 4 root 3 and this will become plus 3. Okay, so again it would become 7 and minus 4 root 3. So this would also be minus 4 root 3. So this would also be 7 minus 4 root 3. Expand. Okay, so you can't directly expand this, can you? Right? So it will multiply with each term. So what you would get would be 1 bracket 3 minus root 2 plus root 2 bracket 3 minus root 2, whereby this becomes 3 minus root 2 plus 3 root 2 and minus 2 because this root and root will cancel. Okay.
Yes.
So minus 2 and 3 becomes 1 minus root 2 and 3 root 2 becomes plus 2 root 2. Okay.
Yes.
Does that make sense? If you want to copy this, you can copy it. Right. So there would not be 7 here. There would be 4 here. Good. Right. So here is the error in this point. So here you have a minus b and a plus b. Does that not form a square minus b square? Yes.
Yes.
Right. So what you've done here, all of this becomes unnecessary. Okay. So simply put, you would go a square and b square. So 6 square would be 36 and minus 5 over root 31, which becomes 31 over root 31. And we will simplify this by making this root 31 here. And this comes out to be 1 over 31. Right? So 31 root 31 is your final answer. Right? Because you have to rationalize it as well.
Yes.
Right? Just for the sake of convenience, let's check this on the calculator as well. Right? So the final answer comes out to be root 31. So remember this identity.
Okay.
So a square plus b square, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So you got, okay, so you've done till here.
Yeah, after this, the questions were a bit hard.
Okay, so we can start the questions from here, right?
Yes.
So again, looking at this question, uh, let's start from 6, right?
Yes.
So here, you got root 5 multiplied by root 8 and 18. So let's try and do this question. So let's keep root 5 separately outside at the moment, right? And let's see what we can do on the inside. So this would become 2 root 2, yes? Does that make sense?
Yes.
And this would become 3 root 2, yes?
Yes.
And we can simplify this further and make this 5 root 2, yes?
Yes.
And then we have 5 on the outside, and these roots will multiply, and you get 5 root 10, yes? So
Yes.
A becomes 10. Okay?
Okay.
Did you understand what I did? Or do you
Why
want
does
me
it
to repeat it?
multiply?
Okay. So we have the bracket. The bracket multiplies, yes? Everything outside the
Yes.
bracket will multiply with everything inside the bracket, yes?
Yes.
And whenever we have two surds multiplying, what happens? The surds, the contents of the surds multiply with each other, yes?
Oh,
So if
yes,
there
I
is root
remember.
2, right? So you've done a question just like this above, right? So when you
Yeah,
have root 2 multiplying with root 5, it will become root 10. Similarly, if you have root 3 multiplying with root 6, you'll get root 18. Yes?
yes.
Good job. So then we have show that this can simplify to root 13. Now, again, do you remember what identity I just used a while ago? Is equal to?
A square minus B square.
Very good. So this would become, what would be a squared in this case?
4 square.
Very good, which is how much?
16.
Very good. So this would become 16 minus 3
3.
over root 13,
13.
right? And this should become 13 over root 13, which would become 13 multiplied by root 13 over 13. And these 13 would cancel out
Answer
each
would
other,
be
and
root
the final
13.
answer is root 13,
Root
right?
13.
Simple enough.
Yes.
Do you want to copy this down?
Yes, I will write it.
Okay. Let me know when you're done, and then we'll move on to the next question.
Done.
Okay. Moving forward. Now, do you want to try this question on your own? It's pretty easy.
Okay. The answer is 2 root 3.
Very good. No, it's not 2 root 3, but you're very close. So it's root 3
3 root
plus,
3.
yes, 2
Yes.
root 3, which becomes 3 root 3. Very good. Now, here, what do you have? Do you know how indices work?
Yes.
Right. So, what do you think would happen here?
1 will have a power of 7 and root 3 will have power of 7.
Very good. So, this becomes 1 power 7 and root 3. I want to change root 3 into an indice. What is root as an indice? 3 power half. Yes.
Yes.
Right. So, I can make this 3 power 7 over 2. Yes.
Yes.
So, essentially, what I can write 3 is as 3 power 6 over 2 plus 3 power 1 over 2. Can I do that as well?
Yes.
So 3 power 6 over 2 is how much? 3 cube. Sorry, this will multiply because the powers will add. Right? So 3 power 3 is how much?
27.
Very good. So this becomes 27 multiplied by 3 root. And now you have 1 power 7, which is 1. Now I will multiply this by root 3 and I will multiply this by root 3. So now I have 27 multiplied by 3 over root 3, which comes out to be root 3 over 81. Yes? Did you understand this or do you want
Yes.
me to explain again?
No, I understand.
Okay. Similarly, if you want to make this easier, we can do it a different way. We'll keep it 1 on the top and then we have 3 power 7 and root on it. Yes? So this can be written
Yes.
as 3 power 6 multiplied by 3. And then this 3 power 6 will come out and become 3 power 3. Again, same thing. So 3 power 3 root 3, this would become 27. And then you can make this into 3 over, sorry, root 3 over 81. What about this one,
Okay.
right? So you've done questions like this, I believe, right? So what would you do here? You
Yes.
have try doing it on your own and then tell me. What will you multiply
Okay.
both the denominator and the numerator by?
7 plus root 5.
Perfect. Are you done?
No, I'm still doing.
So on the bottom, you'll get a minus b, a plus b, yes?
Yes.
So you can directly change that to a square minus b square, yes?
Yes, that's what I'm doing, but it's giving a big value.
How? What is going to be 7 squared?
49.
And minus and root 5, right?
Yes.
And on the top, you'll get 4 multiplied by 7 plus root 5.
28 root 5.
So this becomes 4 over 44 bracket 7 plus root 5. Yes? So 4 over
Yes.
44 becomes 1 over 11. Now they've told you that A and B are fractions, right? So you can write 7 over 11 plus 1 over 11 root 5, where A is 7 over 11 and B is 1 over 11. Make sense?
Yes.
What about this one? Can you try this one?
Okay.
Are you
I'm
done?
getting 6 root y divided by 4 minus y.
Okay, so let's see what this is going to be. So this would become 4 minus y simply. And above we would get 3 times 2 plus root y. So this would become 6 and this would become 3 root y. Is this what you're getting?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so let's see this question. So try doing question 11 and 12.
I'm getting 9 root 7.
Let's see. So you have 6 times 3 plus root 7, and you have 9 plus, sorry, minus 7. So this would become 2, right? This becomes 2. Let's cancel this out.
Yes.
Let's make it 3. This becomes 9 plus 3 root 7. Okay?
Y plus 3.
Because 3 will multiply with the root 7 as well. Right? So 3 will multiply with all of the contents of the brackets, right?
Yes.
No. Try question 12.
I'm getting 8 plus 2 divided by 4.
So can you still simplify it? So what's gonna happen? You'll have root 8 times root 8 minus 2 or plus 2. And at the bottom you'll have 8 minus 4, which becomes 4. This becomes
4.
8. This becomes 2 root 8. Yes,
How? Root 8?
it's root 8 multiplied by root 8 plus 2. Right? So 2 root 8 and 8. Okay.
Okay.
So this becomes 8 and 2 root 8. Now what you want is, let's say, we divide both of these by 4. So we take, or let's divide it by 2. Or we can divide it by 4 as well. How? So this is 2 root 8. Root 8 can be written as 2 square multiplied by 2. So this could be 4 root 2. Yes, can we do that?
Yes.
Similarly, now we can take 4 common. This would become 2 plus root 2 in the bracket, and you have 4 outside. This 4 and this 4 will cancel out. Now you have 2 plus root 2. And you can see that both of them are the same number, whereby n is 2. So, from the starting, if we make all our working floor, we have root 8 multiplied by root 8 minus 2 over 8. I'm just making it plus 2. This is multiplied by root 8 plus 2. So I'm giving the final answer here. So 8 minus 4. And this should become 8 plus 2 root 8 over 4. And then this should become 8 plus 4 root 2 over 4. And this should become 2 plus 2 root 2. Or do you want me to write this as well? Let's say 2 plus 2 plus root 2. Divide this by 4. These two get cancelled. And your final answer is 2 plus root 2.
Okay.
Okay. So this is as far as third is concerned, right? So these are the questions that you'll have to do. I want you to do question number 13 and 14 as homework, right? And that's about it for certs. Any questions regarding certs?
No.
Okay. Do you think you'll be able to do these questions?
Yeah, I will.
Okay. Office.
Allah Hafiz.